Let's talk about something we've all experienced. You see a plant, and for a split second, you're just curious. In this explainer, we're going to look at how one simple, tiny action can turn that moment of curiosity into a whole world of knowledge. And it all kicks off with a very familiar question.
So just picture it, right? You're out for a walk, maybe on a trail you've been on 100 times, and something just catches your eye. It's a plant you've never really noticed before. It's got these weird, beautiful flowers or a crazy leaf pattern. What's that very first thought that pops into your head?
Yep, that's it. It's never just one question, is it? It's a whole bunch of them, all at once. Is that thing poisonous? Could I actually grow that in my backyard? Where did it come from? What's its story? It's this awesome moment of discovery, but it's immediately followed by that little bit of frustration of, well, not knowing.
But what if you could just get those answers right then and there? We're shifting now from that moment of just wondering to the promise of getting a clear, immediate answer.
The source material we're diving into today suggests that the gap between your curiosity and a really satisfying answer can be closed with just one simple, almost effortless action.
And here it is. This is the core promise. Instantly identify plants with a snap. The key words there are instantly and snap. It's all about speed and simplicity. It suggests all that rich information is right there at your fingertips just from taking a quick photo. Okay, so if a simple snap is the key, what does that key actually unlock? This is where things get really cool, because the answer is so much more than just a name.
Because, getting the name, that's just the beginning. That's the gateway. What you're really getting is a whole suite of practical, usable information, whether you're a serious green thumb or just someone who likes to know what's growing around you.
And this information really covers everything you need to know about caring for it. First up, and this is a big one, the toxicity check. Is this plant safe to have around your pets or your kids? Super important. Then you get a care guide. This is the how-to. How much sun, how much water, all that good stuff to help it thrive. Third, and this is a game changer, is disease prevention, so you can catch problems before they really start. And finally, if it does get sick, you've got treatment options right there. It's the whole package.
But the knowledge doesn't stop with just keeping the plant alive. It goes deeper. It shifts from the how of a plant's life to the why of its existence. It helps you uncover its story. And this deeper knowledge kind of splits into two fascinating categories. On one side, you have its practical uses. So what can this plant do? Has it been used for food, for medicine, maybe as a building material? And on the other side, you've got its cultural symbolism. What has this plant meant to people throughout history? Does it pop up in old myths, in art, in folklore? So you don't just learn what a plant is, you learn what it means.
So when you put all of this together, what's the big picture? It's not really about just collecting facts. It's about fundamentally changing how you see the natural world all around you.
6. That's the number to remember here. A single snap doesn't just give you a name. It unlocks 6 distinct layers of understanding. You get 4 for your hands, how to care for it, keep it safe, and heal it. And then you get 2 for your mind, what it can do and what it has meant to us through time. 6 layers of story, all from one photo. Pretty amazing, right? Which leaves us with this final thought. The next time you walk past a tree on your street or see a weed growing through a crack in the sidewalk, just remember, it has a story. It has a purpose, a meaning, a whole history. So the only question left is this. What stories are the plants around you just waiting to tell?